Back in the days when I was young and unclever, rushing on you when now it seems like forever. I'm older and I'm wiser now, still ain't got no courage now. Cause your beauty is so intimidating, but it doesn't matter how long I will be waiting for a chance, for a moment, a minute with you. I need a kiss, I need a kiss, a kiss of life from you. Yeah, 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 yeah. I need a kiss, oh yes, oh, yeah. I need a kiss of life from you. So now so, every time that I see you, I tell myself to step up and try to talk to you, but somehow I never got to pull it through. My friends will laugh at me and tell me, say what's up with you. Hey, day by day I be living in pain, cause I didn't say the things that I needed to say. Now I'm hurting, I need to stop existing and start living. Girl, I need a kiss, I need a kiss, I need a kiss, I need a kiss of life, kiss of life from you, from you, from you. I need a kiss, I need a kiss, I need a kiss, I need a kiss, a kiss of life, oh, kiss of life from you, from you, from you. Yeah. So many questions I need to ask you, girl. Like how you doing and how is life treating you? Did you ever notice me?
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are back. It's another beautiful Friday. We are back live on the right on DNT Radio, number 1 US Nigeria Community Radio. My name is Lagun Koya, and this is with me. I have one of my guy on the top in the studio, Mr. Kunle Afod. It's like here on lunch break, and you know what? Jimo Loin today. I think it's as usual, but you man she Loreto yi. Friday Tonikwa, and today we have Mr. Kunle Afod in the building. All right, sir.
Yes, so yes,
greet everybody.
Yes,
let them know you are
God
live.
It's Friday, you know. This Friday is a very lucky Friday, very lovely Friday,
yes,
and yes, truly, I'm live in Dallas, Texas.
All right, okay. So everybody, you can start joining, connecting. If you want to be part of this segment, all you have to do is log on to our website www.distinctradio.com or download our application. We have an application where you can listen to us, or just call 817-717-5685. It's beautiful Friday in Dallas, Texas. Let's hear more music. Don't touch the dial. All right, sorry, a lot of people are here already. Sorry, we started a little bit late, so we're trying to put stuff together. The equipment we are using. Hello, Mr. Kunle Afod is here. Tell them your name. Come up.
Well, my name is Adekunle Olalekan Afod. Omo Yanos, and you miss your Rabere Lukukan.
Olalekan. You're going to pay for that name, so we are even namesake. Okay,
yes,
that's what's up. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, we are live in the studio now. 817-717-565 number to call if you want to be part of this segment. Tonight is a big event. The big event in Dallas, Texas. When we get to that bridge, we're gonna cross over it. We're gonna let you know why Mr. Kunle Afod is in New York. He's in Dallas.
Dallas, Texas.
Why is that? Why am I talking about New York? New York. Or maybe because I used to live in New York.
All right.
All right. So help me to tell them your name. Let them know. Come up with
I told them my name just now that I am Adekunle Olalekan Afod. Omo Yanos, and you miss your Rabere Lukukan. You know, if you don't know how to reply words, you need an injection.
Yes, so
yeah.
All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, we are here at the Wambi Loreto lunch break, and we have big, one of our Nollywood big background, big guy on the building now, Mr. Kunle Afod. A lot of people are asking me before today's segment. A lot of people, they send their messages like, we know there's Kunle Afod, there is no Kunle. We know Kunle Afolayan. Which of the Afod? What follow you afford? What are you affording?
Well, that's a good question because a lot of people ask that question often and often. My dad is Remy Afod, and he's late. And well, I'm not so close to him when he was alive. Kunle Afod. Maybe we should go to his burial ground and ask if you knock the door, maybe we'll be able to tell you that Afod whatever. But I know some people normally say Afod during, and some people will say Afod during.
A lady actually said that Afod during,
Afod during B.
So does Afodun be? So it has something to do with Odun.
Yeah, I don't know, but I know Afod. Okay. My children are Afod, and the Afod will continue forever.
Okay, now, all right. So, ladies and gentlemen, we are live in the studio now. On lunch break, we have Mr. Kunle Afod in the studio now. So, if you want to call, the phone line is free now. Let me on this phone line. Let's drop it like that. 817-717-5685. 817-717-5685. Ologun Dudu, he said hello to you, sir. Yeah, exactly. 817 Ogenebuki down see Kunle Afod, my brother said that, said my brother.
That's my personal.
It's watching us live now. 817-717-5685. If you are calling from Nigeria, please put +1. Yeah, put +1. All the Nigerian people.
+1.
In celebration of Nigerian independence, we have one of our promoter in the building too. She's gonna be live in the studio too. Boss lady, she have an event tomorrow. We're gonna talk about that too. So 817-717 is the number to call if you have any question for my guest, Mr. Kunle Afod. Is live and direct in the studio now. Yeah, he's live and direct in the studio. So Mr. Kunle Afod, okay, we have his phone already. Let's pick up this call. Hello. Hello. Hello, what's your name?
Hey, Ogenebuki.
All right. You are live and direct in the studio. Mr. Kunle Afod is here.
Abukiano. Always running away from me. Anytime I'm in the States, she will say I'm in Houston, I won't see her. I'm in New York, I won't see her. Kilo Shele.
Okay,
now I'm in Chicago. I asked you to come to Chicago. You don't want to do anything in Chicago. What happened now?
Nobody's promoting me in Chicago right now, so that's the problem.
But I called you.
You called
me. You to come by to Chicago so we can talk. You didn't say nothing.
You called me and I told you the date I'm fixed, and you did not reply. I will say, I
said nothing.
Just so normal.
So what's up now, Sabuki?
So when are you coming to Chicago? Or when? Okay, we are going to talk behind the camera.
Yes,
so
we'll talk after this show.
We can still do Chicago or not.
All right. Let's see that.
Okay, congratulations, Dallas. Mr. Double O.
Yes.
Mr. Double O.
All right now. Okay, what's up now? Yeah, Mr. Kunle is here live and direct.
Good work.
You should join us tonight. Tonight we have big event in Dallas, Texas. So my blood going Lale.
All right, she's in Chicago. She won't want to come.
I'm going to salute you.
All right, thank you. God bless you.
Thank you so much. All right, Black.
Bye.
All right, gracias, my sister. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're live and direct on the NC Radio #1 US Nigeria Community Radio. We have Mr. Kunle Afod, one of our baddest Nollywood director, producer, everything. We're going to talk about that. So, Mr. Kunle, when did you get into the industry? How long have you been in the industry for? How old are you in the industry?
A very long story you want to listen to. All right, I started acting professionally since 1986. Professionally, that was in Command Jos when we did Telefest for Plateau States. My school represented Plateau States, and we did a TV program which was network then.
Okay,
I happened to appear in 2 scenes then, but before then I've been acting in church while I was a little kid. When I was in primary school, I remember so well that I'm the only guy in the cultural group then. Those days when we sing Wele Pamilayo.
Yeah. All right, let's pick up this call. We have another call. All right. Hello. Hello. All right, the caller, you can call back. I don't know what's going on, but you can call us back. We are live and direct in the studio, DNT Radio, number one, US Nigeria Community Radio. I wish all Nigerians happy independent. We are representing 59th.
Yeah.
You don't take 59.
We have 60 everything, my right. 1960, not that
it's been a while. Wow. And we still the solve our money learning like this.
Everything is going to be all right.
Okay, I hope so, Sha.
It's just that we need the intervention. We've been praying. Nigeria is a very prayerful country, but praying not implementing is the problem. But even in the Bible, there is
Hello, who did here? Who is calling? Talon Soro. Hello, what's your name and where are you calling from?
This is Mr. Impeccable African Image calling from Dallas, Texas.
All right, Ologun Dudu one. Yeah, Mr. Kunle Afod is the studio now, live and direct. He's listening to you.
God, my brother, welcome on board. We just want to welcome you on board, and
thank you.
Hopefully looking forward to see you tonight. A lot of people are gonna be there, and we're gonna have fun.
Oh, I'm so happy. In fact, hearing your voice, and you are giving me hope. You are giving me so much hope. Let me see you guys, and let me take so much money back home. Yes,
so
that's the kind.
No, Yawa.
All right.
No, Yawa.
I trust you guys.
All right. So, what time is the event tonight? What time?
I think
the event is going to start at 9 o'clock tonight.
9 o'clock. Yeah.
Right.
Okay. I still want Mr. Kunle to say more about that, but thank you so much for calling.
Still going to that. 9 o'clock.
No problem.
Okay.
No problem.
Red carpet, blue carpet, black carpet, blue carpet.
We are having green carpet in celebration of Nigeria independence. Green carpet, Lamani.
I don't fish chroma. All right, yeah. Like I said in the Bible, there used to be. I've forgotten the name of that city. There used to be famine then, and people were struggling. People were struggling.
You forgot the name of the city.
Yeah, people were struggling. People were suffering.
I'm a Bible student.
And just one prophet said, by this time tomorrow, we will be in surplusity.
Amen.
Somebody said it is not possible. And the prophet told that person, you might not be alive to witness it. And when it came to the following day, 24 hours exactly, there was so much to share. People were rushing and they marched that man that said it's not possible to death.
Yeah.
And since that day, they were in surplusity. So we just need that intervention. Just ìṣísẹ̀ kan ló wà láàrin ikú àti ìyè. Láàrin ọlà àti òṣì, ìṣẹ́jú kan náà ló wà láàrin. God will just transform that country because wọ́n ní tí bàtà bá ti ń ro kólákólá ó ti fẹ́ ya ni. We have gotten to that stage.
Okay.
And I believe very, very soon God will intervene. Okay. Nigeria is going to be good again.
Okay. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, we are having Pastor Kunle Afod in the building. I think I can add
everything.
Okay. Pastor Chief Kunle Afod in the studio now. If you want to join us on this segment, on this video, on this segment, all you have to do log on to our website www.distantradio.com or download our app. We have an application. This is our app. Just search for the app. You get the app. You'll be able to. We have app, or you can just call our to-go number or just call us 817-775-685. Mr. Kunle Afod, if you are not on set, where will you be? Where do you think you're going to be?
My life is mostly around my job.
Okay.
If I'm not on set, I'll be writing script.
If
I'm not on set, if I'm not writing script, I'll be training people. Because I have a school. What's
the name of your school? Free advert. Let's give free advert for now.
Legacy School of Performing Arts. Okay. I've been training people for the past 18, 19 years. One of my students is Regina Chuku.
Okay.
Shola Olaibi Gaji is one of my students. I have a whole lot of them. Most of them were used to be crew members. But these days I'm producing artists too.
Wow. Wow. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, a lot of people
those are the things I do with the man Shifajigo. Friday,
those people there, just say shout out to them.
Shout out to my people.
817. Let's give
Pastor
them the number.
Kunle, check your DM. I will when I'm after this show.
To talk to you, the number.
Exactly. One very phone number. A shout number.
817. If you are calling from Nigeria, +1.
Okay, I'm boss lady.
5685. 817-5685 is the studio number. If you want to talk to Mr. Kunle Afod right now, and we are talking about. Okay, tell us about tonight. Why are you in Dallas?
Okay,
why are you in Dallas?
The main reason for Mr. Inspiration to be in Dallas is because I am having my movie premiere tonight. And the title is Shokoto. You know, I told some people that you know, Shokoto. We have so many proverbs in Yoruba language that goes along with Shokoto. Some people will say Unto walo Shokoto walako Shokoto, and so on and so forth.
Let us pick this call. I think we have a call. Hello, let's pick this call. Hello.
Hello.
Good afternoon. What's your name and where are you calling from?
Okay, this is Jerry Snare calling from Maryland, USA.
Okay, we are live in the studio now. We have Mr. Kunle Afod in the studio.
Jerry Snare, gbogbo àwọn tí Maryland àṣẹ sọ̀rọ̀ tán live in the studio. Kí ló ń bọ̀? Ìrèní baby, kí ló ń sharp.
It's nice to have you live and direct in US. This time I'm not going to miss seeing you.
All right. That's good. These are one of my people. She wants to act.
Hold on for your favorite friend. I love you so much.
All right.
Okay. Hold on for him.
All right.
Hello, Mr. Kunle Afod.
Hello, how are you?
I'm good, though.
All right. You know, the way you pronounce that Afod safe. How you doing?
I'm good.
All right.
Nice to hear from you.
Same here.
Ó pẹ́ tí mo ti ń gbórúkọ yín, mo dẹ̀ rí yín live lórí Gbajúmọ̀ àti àwọn eré tẹ̀ ń ṣe.
Ẹ ṣé gan.
I do really appreciate you for your humbleness.
Thank you.
Respect and other things that you are doing.
Thank you so
much. Mo dẹ̀ tún láti pé ẹ tún họ́nà màmá yín. Ọmọ náà họ́nà yín lọ́jọ́ gbogbo.
Mi ní ìyá méjì. Ẹyọ kan tí mo ní yẹn náà ni tí bàbá mi ti kú tipẹ́, bàbá mi ti kú bí 20 years ago. Ìyá ló dẹ̀ kù, ṣáà tún ní ṣe fún ìyá yẹn náà ni.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni, gbogbo ìyàwó ló mọ̀ ọ́.
Mi ò tiẹ̀ bàbá mi tí ì ṣe nǹkan kan, mi tí ì ṣe nada. Ọlọ́run á fún ara tí mo ṣe sáwá sí ìlú yìí láti wá pawó nìyẹn tí mo fẹ́ ṣe fún wọn ju tẹ́ rí lọ. Ẹ má wọrí. Bóyá next door mi gan, bóyá èmi àti ìyá nurse lájọ máa wá. Màá gbé ìyá nurse ẹgbẹ́ kan, màá gbé celeb wife sẹ́gbẹ́ kejì. Ẹ ṣáà ti rí gbogbo Amẹ́ríkà máa ṣe gírígírí ó yá.
Okay now.
All right, thank you so much. I really appreciate that. I love your voice too.
Thank you, sir. All right, we have another call. Hello, who did here? Who's this?
Hello, good sir.
What's your name, sir?
My name is Ismail, sir.
Ismail, where are you calling from?
I'm calling from Montreal, Nigeria, direct.
Wọ́n gbọ́ yín báyìí, Mr. Afod ń gbọ́ yín.
Àwọn brother mi blood kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀? Ìyá mo gbé fún ẹ gan ni o.
Mo tẹ ń wọ́n hushin live ní lóṣogbo Instagram lọ́wọ́ báyìí.
All right, yeah, I'm live on Instagram. That's why I dropped the number too.
I just want to say a big thank you to you because you've been an inspiration to both them old and young.
Yes, thank you. God bless you.
I appreciate it for that.
In fact, you know what you did tonight just inspired me too because most Nigerians don't like calling abroad, you know, because Richard card and something. But you did this and Ọlọ́run ama busakwe. Abudin tolokun abudin tolosa.
Thank you, sir.
Mr.
Thank you.
All right.
All right. Emi ti ṣe ẹ bá mi kí àwọn èèyàn. A lot of people wọ́n bọ̀ Adébọ́lá Adémayọ̀ Nigeria. Kẹ́mi Afọláyan, who's that?
Kẹ́mi Afọláyan.
There's Kẹ́mi Afọláyan here. Probably.
Bóyá àwọn àbúrò Kunle Afọláyan.
Then Sister Vivian Aribi. Okin Oluwabomi.
Greetings.
Yeah. Then my father-in-law, Evangelist Obatola David Owanbi. A lot of people
may the Lord bless you, sir.
Olórí Abike Ọmọbọ́dọ́lá Owanbi. Olúwaṣeun Adédìran. Everybody there. Akin gbogbo èèyàn tẹ́ ń wò wá. Thank you so much. So we are talking about Shokoto before that.
Yes, Shokoto. Shokoto is the movie and it's a comedy movie. You know, a lot of people have been calling me Mr. Afod. Why not do something like Awolu? Why not do? We like to see you more in comedy movies. You know, I tell them I'm a crossover actor. I do all roles. I'm flexible. So, and this time around, I did a comedy movie with a difference. You know, you won't see it like a comedy. At the same time, it's still a comedy, and a lot of lessons to be learned. You know, some people abroad they won't say, marry, but a whole lot is happening in Africa, especially Yoruba. Okay. Even gone in film you understand? And I know you will laugh. Okay. You will learn one thing or the other.
So Shokoto is Shokoto shot here in America or in Nigeria?
Nigeria. Shoot it, but you will be shocked that.
Okay. Those that are watching it tonight, what do you want them to learn?
What I want them to learn is that they should come and learn it. If I tell them now, some people might not come again.
They have to come.
So you have to come and see the movie. Then you learn one thing or the other.
One or the other tonight. So, ladies and gentlemen, we're live in the red with Mr. Kunle Afod, and tonight we're talking about Shokoto, the movie. But before that, let us Shokoto trouser, Shokoto Tonwo. Okay, ben. Let us hear this. Ejo ka shake body there. Ejo, let's shake body.
Ìràwọ̀ bó tilẹ̀ pọ̀ jù ìyanrìn tó kún lọ ṣùgbọ́n ìyanu Ọlọ́run mi ó papọ̀ jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ. Ẹ̀jẹ̀ Jésù iyebíye tó tà sílẹ̀ ló fi rà mí padà kémi lè yẹ kí n sì lè bájọba kí n fi lè máa gbé ní ibùgbé rẹ̀ o. Dáfídì pọ̀ pẹ̀lú Magdalene wọ́n ṣẹ̀ sí ọba báwo tó dáríjì wọ́n èmi jẹ́wọ́.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are back live on the red on DNT Radio, number 1 US Nigeria community radio, the best of the rest in US. Now people talk, I'm me talking. My name is Abu Ho. We are hosting Mr. Kunle Afod, one of our baddest Nollywood actor in the studio here. This segment is called Lunch Break. It's going to be 11 a.m. Central Time, 12 p.m. Eastern Time, and 5 p.m. in Nigeria and London. Today we are talking about the movie premiere of Shokoto. It's going to be live on the red in Dallas, Texas tonight. What time? 8 p.m. I've 9.
From 9
p.m. But the green carpet is going to be 8.
Yes,
the green carpet. We are hosting green carpet. It's going to be in the recognition of Nigerian Independent Parade. So it's you can see what I'm wearing. So we are celebrating Nigerian Independent 59th.
Better
So we are talking about Shokoto. 817-717-565 number to call. Okay, let's call you. Hello, we have 3 calls. Hello.
Hello,
good afternoon. What's your name and where you calling from?
Dodoye long place.
Hey, Dodoye of Dallas. One time, yo.
Dodoye ṣe kí n lulu yẹn fún wọn.
No, má lọ.
Ó mọ̀ pé ìlú yẹn nágbára díẹ̀.
Ẹ jẹ́ kó wá gbọ́ lálẹ́ àti lọ́la.
Ó yá Dodoye. Kán wá gbọ́ ètò kù.
Yes,
wá gbọ́ ètò kù.
Ọ̀rọ̀ Dodoye àfààní àyà.
A ní akí ni ẹ kó ètò.
Ó ṣe jàre brọ́dà mi.
Ẹ kú iṣẹ́ kíkan.
Àwa nìyẹn ó ṣàǹfàgídí sọ Yorùbá yẹn.
Ọlọ́run máa sọ Ọlọ́run máa ṣàgbára yín náà.
Àmín. Ọlọ́run ò ní jẹ́ ó gbàgbé ilé.
Ẹni ẹlẹ́ni wọn ní gbàgbé yìí.
Àmín kún fàyà kún.
Àmín.
Gbogbo àwọn tí wọ́n dẹ̀ ń gbàdúrà pé kí somebody kú kí somebody lè kú.
Somebody ò lè kú. Ó mọ nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ Dodoye. Sáré bá mi fa àyà kan sí kán lè mọ̀ pọ́ ọmọ kérúbù gidi ní ẹ láti ilẹ̀.
Yes sir, oya à ń gbọ́ oya is allowed oya.
Ilé ti Amẹ́ríkà ti kó ó ti kó àyà kúrò lórí ọmọ yìí o ẹ gbà mí o.
Jẹ́ kó wá sí church lọ.
Oya there's no problem my brother, thank you for calling in.
Mo ní kí n bẹ aago premier yẹn ní láyé.
Yeah, from 8. Red green carpet 8.
Ẹ mọ̀ pé àwọn nǹkan táwọn tí wọ́n máa ń complain àmì àmà mú àwọn èèyàn wá wọ́n máa complain pé kì í tètè bẹ̀rẹ̀ ẹjọ́.
We're not going to do that. We are keeping to time tonight.
We are going to tètè bẹ̀rẹ̀.
Which is my journey.
So it will start at 8. It will screen at 8.
Yeah, the green carpet is 8. The movie screening starts by 9.
Oh, so it's 9 or 8. Okay.
Right.
I got it.
Thank
All
you.
right,
Thank you, Dobre. Thank you, sir. Hello. We have somebody on the line waiting. Hello.
Hello.
Hey, what's your name and where you calling from? You're live on DNT Radio with Kunle Afod. How are you, sir?
Yeah, I'm good. And you? I'm calling right from Europe.
From Europe. What's your name? Oh, yeah, Shaline. Kiloriko, what's your name, sir?
I'm from Felix, but
Mr. Felix, we have Mr. Kunle Afod in the studio now. He's listening to you now from Europe. Thank you for being the first caller from Europe. I have a gift for you, sir. When you're done, send me your email. Send me your address. I'm going to mail something to you. I have face cap. I have DVD. I have CDs to mail for you. To you.
wow, that's good.
Mr. Kunle Afod is listening.
All right, I'm listening.
First caller from Europe. I have a gift for you, sir. When you're done, send me your email. Send me your address.
Hello, bro.
Yeah, thank you very much. I'm watching you as well as I'm speaking with you.
Oh,
that's why we are having double echo.
Yeah,
you have to bring down the volume of your TV or your radio set.
Yeah, it's really good to see Mr. Afod right here on live because I'm one of his fans.
Thank you so much. Thank you, my
I'm
brother.
not going by.
Mr. Afod.
Emilio.
Good to see you.
Same here. I'm not seeing you, but good to hear you.
Yeah. So we have to leave it like that, but I'm happy to see you live.
Thank you so much. God bless you, my brother.
Yeah, maybe the guy, the bro said he's gonna send me some gift. I don't know what.
Yeah.
All right, don't worry. Just
send your mailing address.
Send your mailing address.
My mailing address on where?
Just send the message after this.
I'm watching right here on Facebook.
Inbox me Ola Ogunkoya on Facebook. Thank you, sir.
All right.
Thank you. Thank you.
Ire Kabit.
Hello, we have a caller. Who is this? Hello.
Hello,
kí lorúkọ yín o? Kásán bọ́lá tí ń pè wá. What's your name? Kí lorúkọ yín àti bọ́lá tí ń pè wá?
Adébóyè Ògúnkọ̀yà ló sọ láti Nàìjíríà.
Hey, my brother, how are you?
Ẹ̀yin ti Naija.
Adébóyè Ògúnkọ̀yà láti Nàìjíríà.
Ẹ̀yin ti Naija, how you dey?
Ẹ̀ka ẹ̀kú iṣẹ́ ọpọlọ.
Àwa nìyẹn o.
Ọlọ́run tó bọ̀ máa fún ṣe.
Àmín.
Ọmọ ní kí n kí ni.
Èmi gan
dúpẹ́. Kí ni lágbẹ̀rẹ̀ ẹni dèrò ẹyin.
Àmín o.
Ẹni wájú bá máa jẹ́.
Àmín.
Mo ní kí n kí ẹni láti kọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ ìgbà mi tó wà ń bẹ̀rẹ̀ náà. Pé iṣẹ́ tó dẹ̀ ń ṣe iṣẹ́ tátà tó ń ṣe wọ́n.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, Mr. Ford. I saw one of your interview on, I think, one of the video. I don't know. You are dancing that you fell. You fell off. What happened? You fell at the end of the dance. Is that the latest dance?
Then that was the latest dance. That was the latest dance. Then I've forgotten the name of that dance. You know, the innovation of dancing in the world these days is so funny. You know, they come up with different style and I don't so
know, jackpot.
Now gbese zanku whatever ema pade mi lale ema gbe body ema gbe soul.
All right. So what are the side attractions that people should be expecting tonight? I won't call it kojo together to my loud lale.
Well, you know there is a live band after the screening of the movie.
Okay.
So we're going to dance, some comedy alongside, you know.
Okay.
Then meet and greets, take some pictures and
okay. All right. So somebody is asking, what part of Nigeria are you from? Yeah.
Shy. Question to Nagbara. Well, I am from Oyo State, Ibadan. Okay, Arenle Ashukuno.
So Motiani, wow.
If you know that place so well, you know my grandpa. Alaji Ashukuno. Look at it. Number one. But I'm so used to my mom's side. So my mom is from Ondo State or Idwani. Very close to Owo. So and I even schooled in Owo. I schooled in Plateau State just. So I'm practically from half caste, so
I see. Ladies and gentlemen, we are still here live and direct with Mr. Kunle Afod, and we're talking about Shokoto. Trouser, Shokoto Trouser tonight. And at the same time, I'm using this medium to invite everybody. If you're in Houston, Texas tonight, if you're in Houston, Texas, we have Back to the Root, live in Houston, Texas, Back to the Root. In Houston, if you're in Houston, you need to be there. You need to join them. You need to join everybody on the green carpet as well. Back to the road in Houston, Texas. It's going to be lit. It's going to be interesting. A lot of celebrities will be there in Houston, Texas. So, Mr. Afod, what are the? Can you tell me? Is there any challenges that have during this your career since you've been doing this movie? Is there any challenges that you felt? Oh, okay, I'm not going to do this no more. I'm going to quit.
Brother, I have never thought of quitting.
Even despite the challenges and all that. Wow, I like that. This first time I'm going to hear that.
I have never, and I will never.
Even in the midst of challenges, keep going on. So what's driving you to keep going on? What are the things that make you want to go further?
Let me tell you something.
Yeah.
In this world,
yeah.
What people call challenges.
Hey, let's pick this call. We have a call. Hello.
Hello.
Good morning. What's your name and where are you calling from?
Good morning. This is Sabatula David.
Sean, sir. Good morning, sir. He's one of our guys. Yeah, we good though. Mr. Kunle Afod is here. One of our guys calling.
Yeah, we want to talk to your guest there.
He's here.
All right. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening. Mo ṣe t'Ọlọ́run o. Mo dẹ̀ ṣe t'ẹ̀yin èèyàn.
Ṣé wàá pa?
A dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run.
Ẹ̀kọ́ àbọ̀ sí ìlú ọlọ́lá.
Ẹ ṣeun. Ṣé Dallas lẹ́yìn náà wà?
Dallas làwọn náà wà.
Tó bá
ti wọ pé bóyá alẹ́ lórí ọ̀fẹ́ láti wá bẹ̀rẹ̀ lálẹ́ yìí.
Ẹ gbọ́dọ̀ ní o. Ọlọ́run ti fààyè orí ọ̀fẹ́ lẹ̀.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
Ẹ jáde.
A máa yọ sí life and direct.
Ẹ ṣé jàre bàbá mi. Ẹ ṣé gan.
Ayọ̀ sí life.
Nígbà tí host mi ṣe ti sọ pé àwọn bàbá àgbàlagbà ló pè àwọn ọ̀gá wa ló pè inú mi kàn dùn ni inú mi dùn gbogbo tó ń bà mí lẹ́rù Ọlọ́run ti ń jẹ́ kó ṣe kí
kó di pẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀
in fact ẹjọ́ ẹ wá ẹjọ́.
Ó ti ń di pẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ bọ̀.
Àbáyín serious.
All right.
Okay, bàbá mi.
Okay, sir.
A ṣe.
All right, yeah.
So like I was saying,
all right, sir. Thank you, sir.
Like I was saying, what people call difficulties, I say it's part of life because as a growing child, we go through a lot of things. But it's a normal routine. You understand? When, for instance, when I was in school, you trek some miles.
Yeah.
Even if they give you money, you will still want to trek.
Give your money
and as an adult, do you want to trek? It's two different things because when you're growing up, perspective will change.
Yes, sir.
I tell people that this is funny, though. A little child back home in Nigeria, if you're so conversant with Niger, when you start growing up, you change to suya.
Okay.
From suya, you change to pepper soup.
You upgrade. From
pepper soup, you change to igbi.
Okay.
It's won't as an adult now go back to it's way two different things.
Yeah.
So when you're learning a job or in school doing a process, you have to go through some challenges, which is normal, which is part of life.
Yes, sir.
Ọmọ tó ń ránṣẹ́ náà ló máa ránṣẹ́. Ọmọ ṣáà ní rán dádì ẹ̀ níṣẹ́. Even tó bá máa tiẹ̀ fẹ́ gbà nǹkan lọ́wọ́ dádì ẹ̀ náà ó ní format. You understand? So those are the things that happened, and I feel it's normal. It's part of life. I don't call them difficulties or challenges.
So, okay. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, we are still live on the right. We have a few more minutes. We can still pick few calls with Mr. Kunle Afod, one of our baddest in Hollywood. Okay, now, I have a question. How many movies have you done? Have you produced your own? Have you produced in the past? I can remember. Yeah, how many?
I have produced quite a whole lot of movies. I've done over 30 movies.
Of your own?
Yes.
What about the one that you help people?
I have coordinated. I've done a lot. I lost count. You understand? Movie to me, we'll get there. We are getting there gradually. But movie to me, it's like a daily activity. For instance, a banker is ought to go to bank every day. I'm a movie person. I ought to shoot every time. I ought to also practice, write scripts, practice, shoot my movies, and make people enjoy what I do. So I've helped quite a whole lot of people, and I've done a lot of movies too.
Okay, now let's talk about. Let me divide a little because I happen to be one of the, I'm in the industry as well. We are still growing. In terms of the piracy, those people that pirated movies and all that. What are you doing, as a producer or as a director to actually curb or to police these people in terms of piracy? Those that pirated people movie.
A question that requires God to answer. Because what can any government do to curb thief? They steal in every country. There's so piracy is like a disease. It's like cancer that we are yet to look for what to cure it, because now we are going online. Movies are going online. You can easily say my movie. So number of people have viewed it. So number of people have seen it. But do you know now that presently now there's piracy even online? Your movie that is just there, you just see they will change the title, have another picture for
your movie.
You understand? Or even the same title of your movie, you have another movie with that same title because you are still doing an advert. The next thing. The next thing you just see another shokoto there, they will just go and put even my face. They might put my face there, and how will you know if I'm there until you see the movie? And if you have seen the movie, they have already screened what they want to screen. So piracy is just jumping from one platform to the other. If you type a title now, you can see maybe 10 or more of such a movie online, and when your movie is online, they can still copy. When they copy and start watching it at home with their family, how will you know that?
You can't know.
You understand? So all I'm saying is, these are the little ways we can go out, reach out to people, do screening, do cinema movies. By doing that, at least you will have recovered to an extent before now pushing it out.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are still live on the right on DNT Radio number 1 US Nigeria Community Radio. Dele Thomas Aloyinlohun, one of our musicians here, is in Texas. Sunday Olade Babala Babayoba, I cite you. Salami Olade Pukbo, Timi Oduayo, Blessing Simon, Pastor Kajogbola Oluwafemi. Thank you for watching. Mr. Taiwo Faleke Oluwaseun Adedinro Ajayi. She said, "Where's my own gift?" I have
a gift for you. Don't worry.
You have
this
a question
is the
for
gift I will send to you. Just mail your whatever.
Erin Sherry, Adeboye Ogunkoya, Opoku Vanetta. Thank you so much. A lot of people tonight in Dallas, Texas, we are doing movie premiere of Shokoto Trouser. You need to be here. You need to be here. I've seen the trailer of that movie. Afraid Kashmir, Rubami, I Trip. It's gonna be interesting. You need to be here. Sunday Oladeji Babalola Bayuba. Join us Dallas tonight. Dele Thomas Aloyinlohun, I cite you. You said something about proverb about Chokoto. You want them to say something about Chokoto?
Yes, anybody that can just that can give me 5 answers. I want Yoruba proverb. Epa owe tó ní ṣòkòtò nínú.
Okay.
Òwe márùn
tó ní ṣòkòtò nínú. 817-717-565. Ola Iton, my sister from Maryland. Yeah, that's one of our Nollywood actress. She's watching us right now. Femi Lamerica, how are you? I cite you. Okay, now only afford Baba. Femi Kimbe. Afford Baba. 817-717-565. But before that, let's shake body small. I just ajo there because so that be join me, Mr. Afford nínú. Ó lè jẹ́ latest bọ́ ẹ lè ráyè ṣubú ń bí o ẹ má ṣe ó ní tá à ń ṣubú lórí iṣẹ́ tìyẹn.
ayé àtijọ́ lọ́sàn-án ìgan tí ẹ fẹ́ yọ.
Ndesi o nínú ilé láyé mi tá ń bọ́dé o. Wọ́n ṣe bí n kò lẹ́nìyàn, wọ́n ṣe bí n kò lẹ́nìyàn, mo ẹ̀yìn fìrí mo ra lẹ́jọ́ rẹpẹtẹ. Wọ́n ṣe bí n kò lẹ́nìyàn, wọ́n ṣe bí n kò lẹ́nìyàn, mo ẹ̀yìn fìrí mo ra lẹ́jọ́. Wọ́n ṣe bí n kò lẹ́nìyàn, wọ́n ṣe bí n kò lẹ́nìyàn, mo ẹ̀yìn fìrí mo ra lẹ́jọ́ rẹpẹtẹ. Ọmọ bàlá ń ṣe àlàlà, ọmọ bàlá ń ṣe àlàlà. alára. Ọmọ bàlá ń ṣe alára. Ọmọ bàlá ń ṣe alára. Bàbá yóò bí wa o. Òfun wa kí wa o. Ìyá yóò bí wa o. Òfun wa kí wa o. Ọmọ bàlá ń ṣe alára. Ọmọ bà ní ṣe alára. Ọmọ bàlá ń ṣe.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are still live and direct here on DNT Radio, number 1 US Nigeria Community Radio. We have Mr. Kunle Afod in the studio. Now, I want to talk about the origin of movies and all that.
Okay.
So, even before that, I have this question. Let me check the question. A lot of people had somebody sent me this question on Facebook. On Facebook, yeah. Okay. I didn't get that because of the time. So let us bypass that. So what advice you want to give anybody that want to, for instance, they want to probably come to your school to learn acting and all that? What advice you want to give anybody that want to be a producer or that want to be a director like you? What advice you want to give to them?
This is one thing I want to do now. A whole lot of people have been sending me DMs, sending me messages, and I give them my manager's number to contact. So if it is Nigeria, you can come down to Lagos, Oshogbo, or Offa, because my school is situated around those 3 areas. So if you can come down there, you get to be trained, you get to practice, and at the same time, you get to make more money. But a lot of people also call me in diaspora, telling me, I want to act. And next year, February, I'll be coming back to America. I want to have a gathering of people who really loves to act, and I want to tell them that we can do it here as well. I know that most of these online marketers, some of them are here in America. So when I shoot, before leaving America, your movie will be online.
Mm-mm.
So let's just do that and let them see if it's going to work.
Okay. All right, so that's good. Thank you, Mr. Kunle Afod. Thank you for calling tonight. So invite everybody, all our viewers, or those that are watching us online. I invite them for tonight's event. Invite them there.
All right, my people. This is Kunle Afod live in Dallas. I want you all to come out tonight. Come support your boy. Come support your brother. Come support your friend. Come support Kunle Afod's brand. You all been saying, just come out, support me. You enjoy the movie. God bless you.
All right, Shokoto is the movie. We are going to start by 8 p.m. 8 p.m. is going to be the red carpet. Then the event is going to start properly by 9 p.m.
Yeah.
So there are a lot of, there's after party after the event. It's going to be lit. It's going to be interesting. You already know him. His movie, Emma Jackba. It's going to be interesting.
Party.
After
party. America party.
Even now, they have changed water to water. You just have to do your tongue anyhow. So we thank God for making this possible. And in the studio with me, I have one of our promoter here. She's having an event tomorrow. It's going to be lit. Especially for our celebrating Nigeria Independent Party for our children and for adults too. And she's going to be joining me any moment from now. But before that, let us shake body a little. Mr. Kunle Afod, okay, please. Thank everybody.
All right, I'm signing out right now. Gbogbo yín mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín, ẹ̀yin tẹ́ pè wọlé, ẹ̀yin tẹ́ fẹ́ pè tí kò wọlé náà, gbogbo yín la kí, gbogbo ojú tẹ́ fi ń wò wá ò ní fọ́, etí tẹ́ fi ń gbọ́ wá ò ní di, àpò yín ò ní yá o. Àbùdíntolókun, àbùdíntolọ́sà. Can you say that in English? You are speaking English. You are in America. I'm coming from home, so you can easily say it.
All right, so Mr. Kunle Afod,
Abudi is just blessing. God surely bless you.
All right, so live and direct tonight. So thank you so much, everybody. But for that, let us shake body a little bit. Shake body small. DSC Katum Mujo.
Ọba tó pa wá mọ́ nínú ewu, ìyàtọ̀ pẹ́ fún Jèhófà. lẹ́tọ̀ láti yàn àkàbà ìgbéga tí mo wáyé ní.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are still live in the Red on the NT Radio number 1 US Nigeria Community Radio. As I've said earlier, I have 2 girls in the studio today, and this is my second, one of the promoter, one of the people that are making Dallas, Texas to be go jiggy jiggy, those that make it happening, make things event, to be interesting for us. Tomorrow they're having one event called Niger Independent Picnic. It's one of its kind. It's going to be interesting. So tell us your name, ma. Tell us your name. Let them know you are here.
My name is Busayo Adeyemi. I'm here live and direct
in the studio today. What time is the event tomorrow? Tell us about Sofunwa, about the event. I want can event why is the event tomorrow?
The reason why I
put this together
this together is for the kids.
Okay,
that's my main reason why I did this, because I look around me, I see some kids are losing the culture. Okay. Let's say that. So because I have 4 kids, okay. So when I talk to them, I was training them how to speak Yoruba, but when they go back to school, they don't want to say it no more. So, in America, we don't have time together. That's the second priority. That's the reason why I did this. From work, home, sometimes party, most of the time church on Sunday. So we don't have gets together. That's the reason why I
put this together.
Yes.
Okay, so Niger Independent Picnic is going to be tomorrow, October 5, and time is going to be 12 p.m. from 12 p.m. and the venue is going to be what's the venue? Live in Arlington, and it's going to be a lot of things. Tell us a lot of things that's going to happen.
It's going to be free T-shirts for kids.
Okay.
It's going to be free barbecue. It's going to be face paint. So many things going on right there. It's not about fun alone. It's about praying for Nigeria.
Okay.
We want Nigeria to be best, because I want to go back home.
Okay.
This is not my home. Nigeria is my home. My kids, I want them to feel. I don't want them to feel like the way they'll talk to us back in the old days.
Yes.
Like, Nigerian. Poison our mind. Like Nigeria is not good. There are some people that don't want to go back home. They said no, Nigeria. I'm not going. But I told my kid, I said no, you going back home. I want you to go back. Be proud of Africa.
Okay.
No matter how it is, we still, home is home.
Okay, so everybody, tomorrow, Saturday, October 5, there's this Niger Independent Picnic tomorrow. It's going to be lit. Starting from 12 p.m., there is a lot of things, live performances, there is dance competition, there's games, there's cultural presentation, and many, many more. Oh, yes. And guess what? It's free. You are not paying anything. You need to bring your kids from 12 p.m. And the venue is going to be Middlebrook Park, 1300 Sugar Street, right?
Yes.
Okay. Duga, is it Duga?
Duga
Street, Arlington. Yeah, venue is going to be Middlebrook Park, 1300 Duga Street, Arlington. So if you have any question or you need more directions to the event, the number to call is call 281-707-9511 or call 301-377-8276. Is it 76? 8276. Call this number or reach out to us. Here, I'm gonna be there too. I'll be there live and ready to coordinate some performances, most especially with the kids. Tomorrow, Niger Independent Picnic. We are celebrating 59th independent of Nigeria. You just need to be there. If you're in Arlington area, if you're in Dallas, Texas, anywhere you are, you just need to join us tomorrow by 12 p.m. The venue is going to be Middlebrook Park, 1300 Duga Street in Arlington, Texas, and put together by Boss Lady. Put together by, let me see. Wow. Okay. Let me see. We're trying to put the guest. I think I have your guest here. Guessing. Okay. All right. So put together by Boss Lady. Tomorrow. Put together by Boss Lady tomorrow. So that's how it's gonna be. All right. So I want everyone to join us. Just need to join us. Join us on the event tomorrow. Join us. So before that, let's listen to this music a little bit. Let's play this music. Let's listen to music.
iṣẹ́ bá ti lálùbáríkà ìjọ ló yẹ kẹrù ojú orin lówó orin dọ́là ló jẹ́ nǹkan pẹ́dá. olùwàyẹ fújì mo gbélé tàbí dé o. ọlọ́run ló ṣọlá fújì bó ti rí o àyíndé wá sí ẹrú ń dúpẹ́. bó bá wá dúpẹ́ orí àgbà mi sí o amdáṣù kúra mo dúpẹ́ o. gbogbo àwọn tó ti ń lu fújì láti jọ rí látàyè àjíṣàyè ayé àjíwèrè kó tó wá dórí fújì ti sẹ́yìn o. iṣẹ́ bá ti lálùbáríkà ìjọ ló yẹ kẹrù òjò orin tó orin dọ́là ló jẹ́ nǹkan pẹ́dá. ìbá síkírù mi ọmọ bí ìbá lọ́fín èrìyà ìbàjá dígà ní ìlólúwọlé àwọn tó kọlù fújì látàjí wéré. àyíndé mú ní ọmọ máyégún káwú àmínú sàkálà ìpàdé mọ̀ lápò ń fún fújì láwà àtàyíndé dì lọ làkàrà wúwo èrìyà àjàdí làwà léwé náà jíbó barista. kásálì àlàní mi jọ́ọ̀lì àbínúwá ẹ̀ bá ṣírò lè dáúdà mi àkànmú epo lè pàkàrà ní ìbàdàn mú ẹrẹ. àkàndé mọ̀ ń sùúrù kó tó wá torí agbájé ńláńlá mi bàrí wọ́ndà mi o dr sikiru mi àyíndé àdé o barusati mi ìbá ẹni mo ṣe o agbájé lọ́la dẹ̀dẹ̀ kò orí ẹ̀ ṣálẹ̀ eré tí í padà.
Right, ladies and gentlemen, we have Boss Lady, as I've said in here earlier. Boss Lady in the building. Yeah, she's a promoter, and tomorrow she's having an event called Niger Independent Picnic for our kids and all that. So invite everybody watching us now. Invite them.
I'm using this opportunity to invite everyone tomorrow. Please, no African time. Please, let's have fun together. I want you to come early as possible. Please. Okay. All right. I love you all.
So what are the things that you have in stock for the children?
A lot, game, gifts. We just want to show them our tradition. We have like a Ludo game, wow. Ayo game,
okay.
And Tente. We're going to play Tente. I want them to see how we do in Nigeria. All right. Not using tablets, using be on the phone.
On the phone 24 hours.
We don't do that. We do all those
traditional
game. So right. It's gonna be fun. I want everybody to come over and enjoy yourself. It's gonna be free everything.
All right, okay, ladies and gentlemen. So that's Boss Lady for you.
They say you guys have to reduce PS4. I want to play Ludo now. Play what?
Okay, now, yeah. I'm Kunle Afod. I want young Shin King Bio, Ola person from London, Portuguese Libra from Nigeria.
Greeting you guys.
Yes, so Olori is here too. Abike Adeomo Batolori niye. Say yes, so my beautiful sisters to you. She's saying to you, she's watching us.
Thank you.
And all that. So everybody, you need. Okay, so everybody, you have to be there tonight.
Yes, tonight you have to come out and support Shokoto.
The movie premiere.
Shokoto ni Bondiwa.
Amen. All right.
Boss Lady too is calling you out tomorrow.
Yeah.
Tomorrow is free. Today's you have to support.
Tomorrow, Boss Ladies. So
Thank you.
Everybody, you just have to be there. So thank all the sponsors, all those that sponsor you. Thank them so that I can hear you.
I really appreciate all my sponsor, all my committee. They are so wonderful. Mr. and Mrs. Kogberebe, Auntie Yabo, Auntie Estella, Tommy, Realtel. I really do appreciate you because without you guys, I can't do nothing. I'm my church member. You guys are wonderful. You are so awesome. I don't have no money on this. It's free. And they sponsor me. I don't spend my money. I really give a glory to Almighty God because we planned this within a month and it's come to pass.
Òyìnbó làwọn sọ àmọ́ bá wọn tún yóò bá ẹ ṣe tẹ jẹ́ òṣèṣe
Then my
Mr. and
people,
Mrs. Kogberebe wọ́n bá bí yín rẹ̀ má wà lálẹ́.
If you're in Houston, Texas, there is an event, Back to the Root tonight. It's going to be lit. I'm late to go. Bumi for me, Majakodumi Onki, Afion Ansing, how are you, my sister? Okay, now. So, Yinka Rhythm. Almost somebody, right?
Mr. Somebody.
Ojo, Bamdele. Okay, now. Okay, let's play this for Ojo.
Mr. Somebody.
All right, Mr. Somebody. Tonight, Mr. Somebody is going to be in Houston, Texas. Back to the road in Houston, Texas tonight. It's going to be interesting and all that. And Ojo Bamdele, let me be okay for him. Stephanie McDermott, thank you for joining. Overcome Media, only good job. Okay, around promoter and being here. Okay. All right, so everybody. The time is not on my side, so join us tonight. We're going to be there live and direct. And next week, Friday, join us tomorrow on Orita Faji, Junction of Entertainment. It's going to be interesting. Join us. Thank you so much. Mr. Kunle Afod, thank you for calling.
Yeah,
thank you for coming. My sister, Boss Lady too, she's in the building right now. Thank you for joining. And thank you for being part of this segment and for celebrating our country and our children as well, for promoting our culture.
That's a good one.
Thank you so much, Eshe Adukwe. All right, everybody, thank you so much. We'll see you. Let's go. Thank you so much.
We'll see you when